everyone! For today, we are going to explore our nature.
For what?
To look for pattern and shape in our nature. I am April Joyce of Teniente Rivera.
I am Sofia Sali. I am at Altea Triangle Enceso. I'm Cristal Salagantin. I am Bayhana Andak. And join us to look for patterns in nature. So these are the example of symmetry.
Symmetry is the quality of having parts that match each other in size, shape, and position. In mathematics, it describes an object that remains unchanged after transformation, like a reflection, rotation, or translation. This balance is seen in nature, art, and architecture. An object that are symmetrical have identical halves or sides, while objects lacking this are symmetrical.
These are the example of spiral.
Spiral is a pattern that winds around a central point, often in a curve or helical shape. It's a continuous rotating curve that grows or moves outward from the center.
So guys, these are the example of fractals.
A fractal is an infinitely complex, repeating pattern where smaller parts resemble the whole, a property called self-similarity. Fractals can be created through repeating simple rules, leading to intricate structures at every level of magnification, and they often exhibit fractional dimensions, existing in the dimension realm between traditional whole numbers.
These are the example of stripes.
Stripes in nature refer to repeated linear bands of contrasting color, texture, or elevation that appear on living organisms or natural formations. These patterns occur across a wide range of species and environments and can serve diverse biological, ecological, and geological functions.
These are the example of tessellation.
A tessellation or telling is the covering of a surface, often a plane, using one or more geometric shapes, called tiles with no overlaps and no gaps. In mathematics, tessellation can be generalized to higher dimensions and a variety of geometries. A periodic telling has a repeating patterns.